I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the hands-on with the Honor 9X Pro device, friends, which is a Kirin 810 processor. So finally, it's going to launch in India. So this was supposed to happen last year around the November or December, but if any other users who are even now waiting for the Kirin 810 processor, right now it's the option you got, friends, in the Flipkart. It launched about 14,999. And meanwhile, if you want to know more videos about the Honor 9X phones, friends, so this is the phone which I am using for the past, I think, more than 6 to 7 months. This is a Chinese variant which I am using, which is a Kirin 810 processor. As you can see, friends, Kirin 810 and 6GB RAM. So most of my videos which I already did can be same even with the Indian version. So let me show you the playlist, friends. So it is a playlist for the Honor 9X Pro device, so where I did plenty of videos on this device in terms of charging, or in terms of camera, in terms of display, or 4G, or any other test. So you can check the playlist in the description, friends, for the Honor 9X Pro, and you can find very interesting videos. As you can see, friends, all these videos which I did on the Honor 9X Pro device. So if you are having any other doubts, do comment below, friends, and also follow my Instagram page, so where I'll be posting all the camera samples, and you can ask the queries in the Instagram, so where I'll be replying you for your all, friends. And finally, the Kirin 810 processor is launching in India, friends, and this can be a good news for most of the people because who are waiting for this kind of processor, Kirin 810 processor. So the more I'll be talking about the Kirin 810 processor in another video, friends. The reason why I am pretty much highlighting this Kirin 810 processor. So even the considering the price is also reasonable, I can say, for this Kirin 810 processor, friends, 15,000 at the moment. And that is only for the first sale. As you can see, only 3,000 got decreased. So later again it will increase to 17,999, so which is not ideal to buy this phone at that price. So definitely, friends, if you are having any other doubts regarding the Honor 9X Pro, don't forget to check the playlist, and you can comment even below, so I'll be replying to you. And it's better to always check the playlist of the Honor 9X Pro, friends, so where you can stay up to date information about the Honor 9X Pro device. So if you are having any other doubts, don't forget to message me in the Instagram. And that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. So these are just a video to explain to everyone that right now I'm using the same kind of variant which is from the China, from recently got released in India, so with the name of Honor 9X Pro. So that's why I decided to do this video, so everyone knows that I'm having the Honor 9X and I'm having the Kirin 810 processor. So mainly you can focus on this Kirin 810 processor and 6GB RAM variant, and which has plenty of videos already uploaded in my playlist. So if you are interested, just take a look at the playlist, friends. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.